Hey guys, welcome to Crickalytics. Now, we are just a month away from the official start of the 2021 edition of IPL, and as again, the excitement is at its peak. So, in this video, we'll be looking at the squad of Chennai Super Kings, what is going to be the strongest playing 11, and thirdly, which are the key match winners which Chennai Super King will have to rely upon to have a successful campaign. So, let's get to it. Chennai Super Kings, as we all know, experienced their worst campaign ever in IPL in the 2020 edition when they were not able to qualify for the playoffs for the first time ever. While part of the responsibility goes to their adaptation to slightly pacey wickets of UAE, the majority of the factor was the performance of some of their key players, including the captain MS Dhoni. However, even after experiencing their worst campaign ever, CSK didn't do as many changes as other teams and retained most of their squad for the 2021 edition. On top of it, they had a successful 2021 auction where they were able to buy some of the key players. The list includes Moeen Ali and Krishnappa Gautam, who add a lot of firepower in the batting and the bowling department. They also bought Cheteshwar Pujara as the middle order batsman, all-rounder Bhagat Verma, opener CH Nishant, and also the pacer Harishankar Reddy. In addition, Suresh Raina is back in the squad and Robin Uthappa was traded from Rajasthan Royals. So, what could be the strongest playing 11 for CSK if all players are available and also fit enough to play? Before that, let us quickly skim through the entire squad for Chennai Super Kings for IPL 2021. Talking about the openers, CSK have as many as 7 openers in the squad. This includes the regular ones like Faf du Plessis, Ambati Rayudu, Narayan Jagdishan, Ruturaj Gaikwad and Robin Uthappa. The list also includes 2 hard-hitting all-rounders Moeen Ali and Sam Curran who have the capability to play as the opener. Out of the 7 openers, Faf du Plessis is definitely going to play as the first choice opener. Supporting him would most likely be Ruturaj Gaikwad, who was impressive in his limited time with CSK in the 2020 edition. The number 3 should see the return of Suresh Raina, who missed out the 2020 edition due to personal issues. This should certainly please the team management as Suresh Raina has been one of the most consistent players in the history of IPL. The number 4 position is also fixed as Ambati Rayudu is most likely to play at that position. He was impressive for CSK in 2020 and he would like to continue his form in the 2021 edition as well. At number 5, we should see either of MS Dhoni or Moeen Ali to play at that position depending upon the situation. For example, if there is a need of attacking runs, then Moeen Ali can be sent at number 5. However, if there is a need to stitch together the team or a need of building a partnership, then MS Dhoni is going to play at that position. CSK, as we know, ended up as winners in 2018 and ended up as runners-up in 2019. In both the seasons, MS Dhoni had performed extremely well with the bat. However, the 2020 edition saw MS Dhoni performing very poorly with the bat, and as a result, CSK were not able to qualify for the playoffs for the first time ever. Hence, it is very important for MS Dhoni to perform well with the bat in 2021 edition so that CSK also have a successful campaign. Talking about the lower order and all-rounders, it is going to be the same duo of Sam Curran and Ravindra Jadeja who were very impressive in the 2020 edition. Talking about the bowlers, Shardul Thakur should definitely lead the pace attack for CSK this time. He was very impressive in 2020 edition of IPL and has been performing well in the international circuit as well. Supporting him should most likely be Deepak Chahar. While Chahar hasn't been as impressive as Shardul Thakur in the last 1 year or so, he is still one of the leading pacers for CSK. At number 11, we have the leading spinner of the squad, which is Imran Tahir. Now, Imran Tahir, as we know, is a match winner and a wicket taker. He should play as many matches as possible in 2021 edition, unlike 2020 where he was very much underutilized by MS Dhoni. So that completes the strongest playing 11 for CSK for IPL 2021. Doing a quick recap, we have Faf du Plessis and Ruturaj Gaikwad at the top. We have Suresh Raina, Ambati Rayudu and Moeen Ali in the middle order. We have MS Dhoni, Sam Curran and Ravindra Jadeja in the lower order. We have Shardul Thakur and Deepak Chahar as the pacers, and we have Imran Tahir as the leading spinner of the squad. Talking about the backups, Chennai Super Kings have like-for-like replacements for most of the players. For example, they have N. Jagadisan and Robin Uthappa as a like-for-like replacement for Ruturaj Gaikwad. They have Dwayne Bravo as a like-for-like replacement for either Sam Curran or Moeen Ali depending upon the pitch and conditions. They have Krishnappa Gautam who can be utilized depending upon the pitch and the playing conditions. Then they have Josh Hazlewood, Lungi Engedi and Michel Santner who can be utilized in place of Imran Tahir or Sam Curran or Moeen Ali depending upon the pitch conditions and playing conditions. Overall, Chennai Super Kings have a very good squad and an ideal playing 11 for IPL 2021. They should most likely make it to the playoffs this time around unlike last year. So, what do you think about CSK's chances for IPL 2021? Will they be able to win their 4th trophy? What is their strongest playing 11? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Finally, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Cheers!